And we're still here at the 2025 Spinner Open House, and we have a very special piece of equipment. I think a lot of you have seen the TTS machine. This is our very special automation system. As you can see, very easy to open. And you can access the lathe in a very ergonomic way. So this is the TTS 125. You have main spindle and the second spindle. 125 millimeters draw tube ID on the main and the sub. In this case, we have two turrets. Each turret has 12 stations, all live, BMT 65, but it's very interesting that in this machine, we actually can do 1, 2, 3, or 4 turrets. So maybe one of the features also is the capability to automate the process of loading and unloading with the ROBOBOX cell that we can see right here. Up to 264 pounds in the pieces, and you can see the versatility. So again, the Spinner TTS 125. We can also offer an 85 millimeter with full automation, very accessible. It's still the 90-degree bed, and like I mentioned before, the capability for 1, 2, 3, or 4 turrets. Check it out at spinner.com.